Namaste and welcome to Tips India, a solution of all your wedding problems. We hope at this time of pandemic, all of you are keeping your calm, staying in peace and accepting the situation as it is. We at Tips India are a group of young and dynamic wedding planners who are not only passionate about their dream jobs, but we love to give a live reality to your imagination and make your day the most special day of your life. In past few years, we came across a lot of families who not only chose us as their wedding planners, but gave us a lot of love and made us a part of their family. Quarantine might have stopped us from stepping outside our houses, but it gave us a lot of time to sit back and think about all those people we have met so far. Thinking about these people, we thought of meeting some of these newlyweds for whom Corona was not only the challenge to deal with. Their newly wedded life gave them a different sets of ups and downs altogether. So, here we are, peeking inside the lives of some of these newlyweds and listening to their tales of quarantine together. We present to you our quarantine series, #Couple Stuff, filled with love, laughter and hopes. If there is such a thing as a good marriage, it is because it resembles friendship more than love. And so is the story of Komal and Raghav, who chose to be friends before they became partners. Let's hear the quarantine tales of Komal and Raghav, connecting with us from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
नमस्कार प्रियंका गुप्ता, मेरा नाम है कोमल पारेख. Meet my husband Raghav. We got married on 8th March 2019. 2019 तो एक साल हो गए हैं. And how did we meet? So we met through our parents. मम्मी पापा को हम दोनों पसंद आ गए, फिर हम मिले. हाँ. So our first conversation जो इसने start किया था was बहुत awkward नहीं है ये लिफ्ट में. That was how we started.
Hi, I'm Raghav, Komal's husband. I'm basically from Jaipur, did my schooling in Delhi, and now after doing my engineering in Manipal and MBA in Bombay, I'm settled in Bombay. I work in sales, and it's been a year since we've been married.
और क्या बस थोड़ा सा हंसना है.
So Raghav, during the wedding, which was that one moment that your eyes were stuck on Komal and you want to just relive that moment again?
Sangeet mein, when she was doing a performance, yeah, she performed on a medley of songs. It was really beautiful. तो काफी अच्छा लगा था. So it was a medley of songs. So एक तो बद्रे की दुल्हनिया था, which I liked the most.
Oh, sweet. And Komal, when was that moment for you?
I had an emotional breakdown and he was there pretty strong. So yes, that was the moment for me.
So, did you guys give any challenges to each other during quarantine? Like a cake bake challenge or a book read challenge or a yoga challenge?
चैलेंज दिया था, इसने लिया नहीं. कुकिंग का.
हाँ.
पहले बोला मैं पूरा हेल्प कर दूंगा, पहले हाथ खड़े कर दिया उसने. बट चॉपिंग बहुत अच्छा करता है.
मैंने नहीं दिया था कोई चैलेंज. ये खुद ही इसने इतने सारे ले लिए, गार्डनिंग, पेंटिंग, डांसिंग, तो मेरे को देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. So I didn't really feel the need to give any more challenges to her.
कुक क्या करने के लिए दिया था? Which dish?
उसने कहा था कुछ भी बना दो बस.
बना तो दो.
But I can't cook. मतलब I can assist. I can chop vegetables. I can clean up. या थोड़ा मोटा मेरे को काम दोगे अगर किचन में तो I can do that. But I can't cook a dish from beginning till the end. तो मेरे को बहुत पेशेंस का काम लगता है. वो नहीं पता मुझे.
So, next one. What is his one constant demand of the day?
अब फिलहाल तो इसको पिज्जा चाहिए. पिज्जा हट का तंदूरी पनीर पिज्जा.
Every day.
So the only thing वो आता है तंदूरी पनीर पिज्जा. अब तो चाहिए यार पिज्जा हट का पिज्जा प्लीज. बहुत हो गया, नहीं खा सकता दाल रोटी.
वैसे one thing that I need on a daily basis is at least a couple of games of FIFA on.
But he doesn't demand that so. वो डिमांड नहीं है.
उसका वो है कि बाहर जाना है. मतलब as in वो we've been cooped up inside our homes for a long time now. उसका वो है कि थोड़ा बाहर ड्राइव पे जा सकते हैं, क्या कहीं घूमने चलना है, बाहर जाना है, which unfortunately का वो नहीं पाता.
Something your partner does only to impress you or get your attention.
इसको इम्प्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. He is very genuine. So as such, नहीं है कि he needs to do
Out of
something
love?
to impress. Out of love, बहुत जल्दी इसको पता चल जाता है my mood is not good. So he makes sure he's there.
And Raghav?
इसको भी ऐसे इम्प्रेस करने की जरूरत पड़ती नहीं है, बट
मैंने किया नहीं लगता इसको इम्प्रेस.
नहीं, मेरा जरूरत नहीं पड़ती ना, ऑलरेडी इम्प्रेस हूँ मैं तो. I mean, she doesn't need to, like, just how well she's adjusted in our home. मतलब we stay with my parents, so how well she's adjusted with everyone and how well she's, you know, made sure that everyone is comfortable around her. She's comfortable here. It's not very easy for someone to do when they come into a new household. सारे मतलब you come from a different background, यहाँ पे थोड़ा different रहता है, कैसे घर के जो सब चीजें रहती हैं उसमें कैसे, you know, sometimes when you don't want to do something you still have to do it. So those things she does it and doesn't really ever complain. So that makes my life very easy and I know it's very tough for her कि किसी ने घर में बिल्कुल सेटल हो जाना और मतलब थोड़ी दिक्कतें भी होती हैं तो you know not to make a big issue out of them and थोड़ा सा मेरे को बोल के फिर चुप हो जाती है and then she's fine the next day. So that's very impressive.
तो अब गुस्सा होते हो, क्रैंकी होते हो, लड़ाई करते हो, but there must be something which can bring a smile on your partner's face.
A hug.
Please, कुछ भी नहीं है.
For you or for him?
कुछ भी नहीं है मेरी तरफ से तो. मैं तो पहले स्टार्टिंग में सॉरी बोल दिया करता था तो नाउ अब सॉरी में भी आता है कि सॉरी क्यों बोल रहे हो. You don't even know that mistake that you made. So why are you saying sorry? फिर
तूने हर से सुना होगा ये चीज.
पहले वो हग होता था तो अब हग भी कर लेता हूँ तब भी अब वो भी नहीं है कि हर चीज में तुम्हें लगता है बस हग करके ठीक हो जाएगा.
ओके.
तो तुम उसमें कैसे ठीक. तो you need to understand that you can't behave like this. तो ऐसे कोई भी अब चीज बची नहीं है. इट हैज टू बी कॉम्बिनेशन. अगर आप गुस्सा होते तो 3-4 चीजों का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है जो करना पड़ता है जब जाके थोड़ा ठीक होता है मूड. और मैं तो इतना नाराज नहीं होता.
राघव तुमने काफी रिसर्च की है यार. कॉम्बिनेशन भी पता है अब तुमको.
तो वो करना ही होता है, इवॉल्व करना ही पड़ता है ना. नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चला गया गेम अब.
So, did you adapt any of your partner's daily habits? Like something they do daily and you started enjoying doing it with them?
Not every day I would not say, but yes, I started Xbox में interest increase किया and I did start playing WWE with him.
How? Okay,
And
nice.
कभी कभार मन करता था रिमोट से नहीं होता तो प्लीज यहीं पे.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ, मैंने ऐसा तो कुछ स्टार्ट नहीं किया जो ये करती है, बट मैं सबको बोलता हूँ कि एनिमेटेड मूवीज, शी लव्स एनिमेटेड मूवीज, सो आई टेल हर कि वी कैन वॉच वन. इट्स अनदर इशू कि हमने अभी तक देखी नहीं हुई, बट हाँ मतलब अब उसको मतलब आई बिकम मोर एक्सेप्टिंग ऑफ दैट जॉनर ऑफ मूवीज आल्सो दैट वी कैन एटलीस्ट वॉच इट समटाइम.
हाँ, नहीं तो अदरवाइज स्टार्टिंग में इट वाज लाइक अ बिग नो, नहीं देख सकता, नहीं देखना मेरे को. सो दैट.
Were the quarantine dates better or the outdoor dates?
Outdoor
Quarantine dates or outdoor dates?
Outdoor.
So the movie are going to be on the couch or at the theater?
Theater.
Working from home or going to office?
Office.
Who became unbeatable champion of all the board games, card games or the computer games?
जितना भी हमने खेला है, it is pretty much tied.
Equal. We play a game of Ludo every single day and 50-50 रहता है वो.
Who was more lazy during quarantine?
राघव.
Who loved self-care more and ended up opening a saloon at home?
कोमल.
Have you ever used your partner's toothbrush by mistake or without telling them?
I've used them.
Raghav
Who is more patient one in the relation?
राघव.
Who says sorry first after a fight?
राघव.
मैं.
On a scale of 0 to 10, rate your partner on being romantic.
मतलब तू बता.
4.
10.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you, Raghav, for being a part of our show and sharing your personal life and quarantine life with us. Moving towards the end, we just want you to thank our viewers and give a nice and beautiful message. And that's how we can wrap it up. Thank you.
आई वुड जस्ट से कि ये टाइम वापस नहीं आने वाला है, सो जस्ट एंजॉय इट. इतना टाइम ना खुद के साथ मिलेगा ना फैमिली के साथ मिलेगा.
Actually,
इट इज टफ, यस, क्योंकि मेंटली आल्सो यू नो चार दीवारी के बीच में यू आर स्टक. व्हाट टू डू, कहाँ जाना है. समटाइम्स यू नीड दैट मी टाइम, बट दिस टाइम इज नॉट गोना कम टू रिफ्लेक्ट, टू लर्न, टू बी विद द फैमिली, टू नो ईच अदर बेटर.
Yes, I think it's the only time I think in our lives once you leave college that you get to stay at home for three months in one shot. So appreciate it as much as you can and enjoy it as much as you can. बाकी तो अभी को I think खुलने वाला है lockdown at least बॉम्बे में, hopefully soon. So it's been good fun for the last 3 months, but now looking forward to things opening up very quickly.
Most importantly is stay positive.
फ्रेंच किस फिरंगी है, देसी किसी चंगी है, इसके बिन बताऊं क्या दिल को कितनी तंगी है.
तू लगता हॉट, दिल में है थॉट, होठों से होठ चिपका दे. ओ मैं तेरे संग फंसिया वे, लिप टू लिप दे किसिया ले किसिया वे,
लिप टू लिप दे किसिया ले किसिया वे.
मैं यार तेनू मिस कर दी, तेनू यादा विच किस कर दी, कर दी. लिप टू लिप दे किसिया ले किसिया वे, लिप टू लिप दे किसिया ले किसिया वे.